Hello there, it's such a great pleasure to have you join me once again on this week's edition of your weekly tech video. Now, this week we've put together a list of ideas for home-based businesses that don't require much commitment of time or money to even get started. And don't forget to visit our website on www.techibytes.com for full details. You can also subscribe to this channel to get updated whenever we post new tech videos. Now, without further ado, let's just get started. Now, here are the top home-based business to start doing right from the comfort of your home today. Now, the first idea that I will be bringing to you is, using a blog to generate passive income. Now, even if you are just starting, blogging is an excellent way to actually generate money and work from the comfort of your home, especially if you are passionate, about sharing thoughts with others. And of course, you like writing and you can, just use your time to dedicate your time to bring out ideas, write, and then have engagement on your writing, then post it on a blog, and then you can just start making a lot of money from that. Now, moving on to the next idea that I'll be suggesting for you for this week is to be a virtual assistant. Now, the job of a virtual assistant, it's a lot, but it includes stuff like answering emails, preparing papers and images and stuff like that. Basically that using your time to take on many different jobs for their clients. In addition to writing and editing materials online, some virtual assistants, also help their customers schedule content for various media outlets. Basically, the little things that other people do not have time to do. You spend a little time that you have and you just help them, assist them virtually. Basically, and you earn a lot of money doing just that. Now, moving on to the next idea that I will be suggesting to you is ebook publishing. Now, everyone is literally free to, publish their work on the internet. The internet is a free world, is for everyone, is a place where anyone can do anything. You can put stuff online and then you get people that will patronize you. Now, anyone can make a fortune from their writings. Many authors are now taking advantage of the internet to publish their work. So basically, you can just get your stuff, your thoughts together, write it in form of ebook, and then you just publish it, and you have a lot of sales on it, and boom, you're making cool money and soft money for yourself. Now, moving on to the next idea that I will be suggesting to you on top of your home-based businesses that you can start doing right from the comfort of your home is you can also open a web store. Now, in the past, if you wanted to sell something, you would need a storefront, or what we used to call a shop in Nigeria. And of course, with all the related expenditures and spendings that comes with opening a shop, you have to buy this, buy that, rent a space and stuff like that, before you can put a store together, a physical store together. But right now, you can open an online store, and of course, the world is now a global village. You can sell to anybody, anywhere, anytime, right from the comfort of your home. All you just need is an internet-enabled device, and then just get connected to the internet, boom, and you can start selling. That's one of the coolest things you can start doing right from the comfort of your home today. Now, moving on to the next idea that I will be bringing to you is what I would call consultancy services for businesses. Now, probably you are an experienced entrepreneur, or you are even a business owner, or you've had experience, doing, handling businesses. You are very good at, you are very vast in business, and you've had successful business in the past. If this is true, and if this is you may be able to assist other people that are just starting off their business, that are confused, that are still doing trial and error, that they don't know what steps to do, the mistakes to avoid, where to get loans, where to get assistance from. You can help them build, maintain, and you can even mentor some of them, and trust me, many people will be willing to pay premium fees for this kind of services, and you can at the same time help other grow their businesses, and you get paid for it. And trust me, millions of thousands of people are getting huge money from this kind of home-based business. And of course, this is what you can do virtually. Now, moving on to the next idea that I have for you. It's this one is quite popular now. It's what everyone is trying to get across to, get involved with, and it's what I call podcasting. Now, podcasting is another great home-based method of making money through from the comfort of your home. Podcasting is just about putting your thoughts in an audio form and having and putting it on a podcast platform. It's now very possible to make money from advertising on your podcast platform using free resources on the internet. All you just have to do is just have enough fan base, enough listeners, that people that are interested in what you're trying to say. Probably you have a thought, you have an idea, you have something you want to share with people, or you can entertain people, or you can talk, you like talking. And so you just have to grab mic and then start recording yourself, and you upload it on a podcast platform. And of course, you never can tell how your podcast can go viral and how people would fall in love with listening to you. Now, moving on to the next idea that I have for you this week on the top home-based business ideas that you can start right now from the comfort of your home is what I call, you can become an expert in search engine optimization, SEO. This, if you are conversant with the internet, how the internet works, with Google and just basically blogging and stuff like that, you would agree with me that millions of websites are out there that needs SEO experts. If you can actually start learning today from the internet, you just have to grab few resources on the internet and you read on it, then you practice. And as I say, practice makes perfection. So, and of course, you start making some cool money for yourself from the comfort of your home. Now, moving on to the next idea of the top home-based business ideas that you can start considering right now, is you can become a YouTuber. Now, in order to become a YouTube personality, you need to create a free account on YouTube. Of course, you have to have accounts with YouTube before you can start creating content on YouTube. Now, YouTube is what virtually everyone is getting involved right now, because of the way you can make a lot of money, because of the monetization. YouTube doesn't care who you are. You can be a child, you can be a kid, you can be a youth, you can be an adult, you can be an old man, an old woman, you can be a teacher, you can be educated, uneducated, you can be anybody on YouTube. As long as you have great content, you are able to gather a lot of views, you will make a lot of money from YouTube. Trust me on that. Now, YouTube has produced thousands of millionaires, from its platform. So all you just have to do is just to grab a camera and start recording your content and make it and get people to fall in love with your content, and voila, that's it. You get started and you start making big money, huge money from YouTube. And there you have it for this week. Remember that we have full information on our website. You can just simply visit our website on Techibytes.com. Don't forget that you can also subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can stay in touch with us. And don't forget to drop comments, likes, and share our videos so that we can keep producing and keep giving you great content, great tech content on this platform. And thank you very much. Until next time that I will be on your screen again and I'll be here with you. Thank you very much for always watching our videos and always following our updates. Thank you.